Yeah, it's not normal.
Yeah.
Okay, I wish you the best, hè? Yes, man, thank you. Ja, Nederland. We zijn hier, Amsterdam Centraal station. De treinen die rijden niet. Dus ja, mensen die komen hier teleurgesteld aan. Geen treinen. Moet je zien, Nederland.
Dear passengers, the 2015 trolleys to Amsterdam Centraal, Brussels-Ooit, Midland, Paris North will depart from platform 14A.
No trains.
Yeah.
No trains. Nothing, eh?
Why?
They have like a problem with the I think a computer.
You
Maybe
know,
problems with the computer.
I want to go to Zandam. You know. where
Zandam,
is
you can take the bus.
Where is the bus stop?
The bus is at the other side.
Outside.
Yeah, yeah. You go here under the tunnel. Yeah, the bike road, and then you go in the station. You go up. First level.
Okay.
You have buses there. Buses go to
Okay.
Zandam and that area, Purmerend, Zandam. You know, yeah,
Okay,
the
thank
small
you.
village next to Amsterdam.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I wish you the best, man. You're welcome.
Have a night.
Yeah, I make a video because this never happened.
Yeah.
This is the first time. Really, really big problem. No trains in Holland.
Yeah.
All Holland. Yeah.
Okay.
Oké, thank you, hè. Have a nice day. Ja, Nederland. Geen treinen. Geen treinen. Dus ja, Nederland. Wat gaan ze doen, Nederland? Pak maar een taxi. Kijk dan. Dan maar een taxi, Nederland. Snelle taxi. Instappen. En wegwezen. Zie je dat, Nederland? Snel een taxi en wegwezen, Nederland. Anders ga je niet naar huis vandaag. Geen treinen, helemaal niks. Heel veel taxis.